What's going on there, YouTube? It's your boy, Motorcycle G, in the house. Oh yeah, big party. We're just gonna do a nighttime ride tonight. Get a couple clips in. Ooh, nice little backfire for ya. Thank you for moving over. I appreciate that. I don't know if you saw me or not, but thank you. Just gonna catch up real quick. This guy has no lights on. Woo! That was fun. This guy's got his lights on either. I guess having your lights on is it's not cool anymore. I don't know. Guess we're making good time. That's good. Everyone's moving tonight, that's good. Got heavy traffic up here. Looks like it's gonna be it for the night, folks. Maybe we'll catch you on the other side, I don't know, we'll see. Alright guys, we're going to go through the tunnel, we'll see you on the other side.